Welcome to DepEd TV Live. This is Wendy Linganay, your host for today's video. So in this episode, we'll be talking about the evidences presented by the Greeks about the spherical shape of the Earth. In all of the geocentric models of the universe, the Earth and other heavenly bodies were assumed to be spheres. They were convinced that the shape of the Earth was not flat, instead it was spherical. This idea was already entertained by Pythagoras and Plato. However, they do not have concrete evidences to support their claim until Aristotle around 320 BC, a student of Plato, presented his arguments that established the claim during their time. Okay, so the first evidence presented by the Greeks is that the Earth has component pieces that would fall naturally into the center that would press a round form. So for example, this is the Earth, and this is the component of the Earth. Time after time, it will fall naturally into the center, so it would press a round form. That explains why the Earth has spherical in shape, or explains why the shape of the Earth is sphere. Moving on to the second and final list, it is in an eclipse of the moon, the Earth's shadow is always circular, same as a flat disk would cast an oval shadow. One of the astronomical events that fascinated the early civilization was the eclipse, and the recorded information about eclipses was used by Eratosthenes about 235 BC to approximate the circumference of the Earth. As you know, an eclipse is actually a shadow formation. This happens when the path of light rays is blocked by an object. Are you now convinced that indeed the Earth is spherical? Thank you for watching DepEd TV Live. This is Wendy Linganay. See you in the next episode.